Parker's Place is where we are this morning, one of 3,000 daycares across the city that has the option to reopen today. Not all of them taking it since they needed to scramble and turn around and get ready to be open in less than a week after Mayor de Blasio's announcement last week. So what parents can expect is that the class sizes are going to be smaller. There's going to be a lot of cleaning, sanitizing, masking in place. And then, of course, the big question is, are we going to see any changes in the numbers, the infection rates, as we have kids socializing outside of their small family groups? A lot of precautions are being put in place with the New York City Health Department in order to keep kids as safe as possible, as well as the daycare workers themselves, since they're now opening up their circle of people that they're being exposed to. But both families and directors of these centers say they're ready to take the leap.
It's been very rewarding. There's been challenges as well, but to be there firsthand, to watch my child develop over 4 months has been something that I wasn't anticipating.
This is something new in response to COVID, to avoid touching different materials in the classroom.
So here's exactly what's going to happen. No more than 15 children in a room. Everybody over the age of 2 has to have a face mask on, both kids and educators. There is going to be daily health screenings, including questionnaires, temperature taking, and cleaning, and then limited sharing of supplies and toys and any of the learning items that the kids are using to try to cut down on the number of touches, trying to cut down on the amount of transmission. And of course, the big question and the big challenge is keeping kids distant enough so that they can still learn, but so that they're not putting anybody else at a higher exposure risk. It's a delicate balance, and it's also going to give us a somewhat of an indication about what we may be seeing as kids could be heading back to school in the fall. We've got more than 1 million city kids who are expected to do that. We are reporting live this morning from Park Slope, where they're getting ready to take the kids to daycare again. I'm Kirsten Cole, PIX 11 News. Back to you, Dan.